No. It's been like a couple hours. Hi, Bob.
Hi, Jana. Hi, Morgan.
They got a perm. Oh, did you? Tell me they're here.
They're here.
They're here.
Come on and see them. Say hi.
Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi, Morgan.
Morgan.
Hi.
Can you wave?
Hi.
I see her every day when I look at the refrigerator door.
Aw.
Hi, sweetie.
Smile, baby.
She's not afraid of a flashing light, is she?
She's used to it.
You
take pictures all the time.
Poses, huh?
Smile, Morgan.
Uh-oh, a smile.
That's a smile.
Hi.
That's a little smile.
Oh, is she cute? Hi, Kevin.
Hi, Grandma. Oh, good to see you.
Nice to see you, too.
Did you have a nice ride?
And Morgan, I look at her every day, you know, on the refrigerator door.
Hey, Grandpa.
So nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
You're the cutie, huh?
You're looking good. Oh, there he is.
Hi. Taking a movie.
On the ground. She wanted to
Minnie.
She's smiling. She's laying there.
Minnie.
Oh, she probably sees the Christmas tree.
Minnie knew you were
Oh
coming.
no, that's over there.
Just
She
looking
saw
forward
it
to
already,
having
yeah.
you.
Aw. We missed Minnie.
Hi. Hi, Morgan.
Let's introduce Morgan to her great grandparents.
Oh, she's happy to go.
See your great grandpa?
Yes.
Oh, look
Oh, what a smile.
Hey, laugh. It's great grandpa. Hey. Wow.
Oh. Peekaboo.
Wow.